Okay. Oh, gotta bring some. Let's see.
Yes.
Deirdre,
Yeah. One hand at a time.
here's your prize.
Thank you.
Deirdre came out yesterday and found these nests.
The color band is going to be red over orange, aluminum over blue. The females have those bare patches, or blue patches on their abdomen. That's perfect. So then we put this over the tarsus, the leg, and we crimp it. And then we look down the shaft to make sure we haven't cut the leg, and we make sure that we can spin it. So this one has a unique number. Okay. 57 is the wing cord. 17-1.
17-1, okay. And pictures?
Pictures. Just in case she has a criminal record anywhere in the States.
She's doing side view again. There we go.
Changes in the molt, in the wing pattern.
If you go up a little so you
To
can
see how old she might be. OZT. I'll set to release her. Just look from nature. And if they have to have kind of early experiences that Katie had. You got another female?
Yep.
Awesome.
Boy, this will be the 5th day, I think.
Katie and...
I'm recording the weights in between.
Yeah.
We'll go back.
It's around here. We just don't know where they are. But right now, we can't go that. That's the woolet, the most annoying bird on the Saltmarsh.
She's in the net.
There's a bird in the net.
Take that. Yep. Don't let me step on the willet now.